Let's learn table.
20 times 1 is 20.
20 times 2 is 40.
20 times 3 is 60.
20 times 4 is 80.
20 times 5 is 100.
20 times 6 is 120.
20 times 7 is 140.
20 times 8 is 160.
20 times 9 is 180.
20 times 10